Hi, my name is Joseph and I'm here with my older sister, Sophia.
Hi, and today we got another Kidstir. It came with Norwegian sea crackers, Danish fish fritters, and we have a collaboration with MasterChef Junior and a challenge. It also came with Swedish meatballs, which is what we're doing today. Today we're making the easy Swedish meatballs. Something Kidstir is really great about is providing dietary substitutions. So I'm vegetarian and we're using impossible meat.
I'm not vegetarian.
Instead of beef.
Now we are gonna mix the ingredients, like the onions, the breadcrumbs. You put a cup,
1/4.
1/4 of breadcrumbs, and then you put
garlic
powder into it, and then some
nutmeg,
and then
allspice.
We
Parsley.
almost forgot the parsley, and now we have an egg, which we
love going to IKEA to eat their Swedish meatballs, and we're so excited to learn how to make our own so we can eat them more often.
Now we get the egg, and then we got the trash can open, and now we are going to uncrack it and throw the shells into the trash can. And while she pours that, I will wash my hands. Now we put in the impossible meat, which
is the substitution.
For the meat. For the beef.
All of it.
You put in all of it, just like this. Clunk.
And now we mix. You want to mix?
Mix. Here's some tips. If you want a nice egg, I recommend getting a bowl and folding. And if you want with no mess, you could fold it like this.
Now time to bake the meatballs. For easy cleanup, we put parchment paper.
It should make about 20 meatballs. So in our family, that means 5 for each person.
Don't be afraid to get messy. Now to put them in the oven.
They should be in there for about 20 minutes.
While the meatballs are baking, we have to make the sauce. Some people might call it gravy. First, we have to melt the butter and add the flour.
You might want to have an adult nearby for this.
Once the butter is melted, we add the flour. And we whisk.
You mean mix?
We can mix and whisk. Now we add the mustard. And we add the Worcester sauce. It's a funny word, isn't it?
Worcestershire.
It's Worcester.
Worcestershire.
How do you say it?
Worcestershire.
Be careful. With Worcester sauce.
Worcestershire.
You can mix.
I am a better cook. Kidstir also recommends egg noodles. So that's why that pan back there is heating up the water for the egg noodles. I really like mushrooms, so I am gonna put them in.
Now to add the meatballs to the sauce.
They're gonna taste good.
Now mixing everything up. Try to get the sauce on every single thing. This dish is really important to us because we're part Norwegian, and it's great learning about our history and background, especially through food. Let's taste. Yummy. This is really good.
Let me keep it high.